Hello, my friends. Today is ketchup day. Now, I don't mean mustard and ketchup type stuff, but I mean ketchup as in these are items that you might have seen before. You might have one or two. Or maybe you missed out on that kit or you missed out on that item. Now is your chance to get it. Are you ready? We're going to start off with this sweet summertime collection paper pad. Remember, paper pads, once they're gone forever. This one is amazing. It has a lot of fun things that you can die cut using a circle die or the lemonade to drink dies. Fun pinwheels, fun, strawberries to die cut. Oh, look at that fun pattern there. Lots of awesome, watermelon, I love it. Lots of options. Oh, look at the butterflies, pink butterflies. I love pink butterflies. And you know what? You get 2 sheets of each one. Oh, the frogs. You guys all love the frogs. I know. Look at that fun pink. Look at, kites. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, look at all these options. Oh, and then we get 2 sheets of each one. So, sweet summertime. Love it. Love it. Now, we're also releasing finally, I know a lot of you have been waiting for this one. We sold out of this one so fast. This was in a kit. It's the Slimline sunglasses, and I have some samples to share with you. They're going to knock your socks off. Get ready. Also being released finally is the iced drink Fold It. Now this is a mini Slimline, and look at, you also get these extra little pieces like mini versions of the Slimline cup, and the heart is separate, so you can use the heart separately or with this card base if you want to. Another much requested is the mini. This is the mini sun Fold It. Now this fits in a 4x4 envelope, and look at that cute little sun. You also get a whole bunch of little extras. The face is separate, so if you want the face, great. If you don't want the face, great. It's up to you. But wait, there's more. Watermelon Fold It. Look at that. Fits in an A2. You also get the word summer, and you also get a cute little popsicle. Ice pop. I'm not allowed to say popsicle. Ice pop. But look at how much fun that is. Now, because we're releasing the watermelon Fold It, I thought now would be a good time to release, if you missed it, the watermelon ink pad. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Can you say yummy? Look at how gorgeous that pink is. You are also getting the refill in it as well, so you get both in the kit. Yummy, right? Now, let's look at a couple samples. I have just a couple fun Fold It ones of the sunglasses. Look at how cute this is. Oh, this one's even made into an easel card. Look at how adorable that is. It says floating by to say happy birthday. You can also, you guys, make it a shaker card. What? I know, isn't it awesome? I love shaker cards, especially on Slimlines. Look how fun those are. Love it. Using our stencil in the background, stencil on the paper, our hibiscus stencil. Here's a cute one, Loving Life, with some fun little cutouts over there. Absolutely love that. And here's one, because sometimes you don't want a shaped card. You could put it on top of a Slimline card base. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Open that up. Sweet birthday vibes, sun and fun. Now, club members, you know the deal. You're getting the discount. Boom, boom, boom. 15 to 20% off the entire website. Some of these items you might already have, but you know what? If you missed out on them, now is your chance to get them. Yay! I'm so excited. I hope you are too. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.